A massive fire broke out early morning in Delhi's Anand Mandi area today, in which at least 43 people have been died so far. Several leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, President Ramnath Kovind expressed their condolences to the families of those who were killed in the fire incident. A massive fire broke out early morning in Delhi's Anand Mandi area today, in which at least 43 people have been died so far. Several leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, President Ramnath Kovind expressed their condolences to the families of those who were killed in the fire incident. Delhi government has ordered a magisterial probe into the Anand Mandi fire incident in Rani Jhansi Road that killed at least 43 people today. The Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government has sought a detailed report within 7 days. Revenue Minister Kailash Gehlot directed District Magistrate Central to conduct an inquiry and submit a report within 7 days. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal visited the incident site to get a first-hand report of the situation and announced an ex gratia relief of Rs 10 lakh for the families of those who were killed in the tragic incident and a compensation of 1 lakh for those who were injured. A one-day farmers' convention on the theme Impact of Climate Change, Sustainable Solution and Food Sovereignty was held today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School, Imphal. The convention was organized by Irawat Foundation, Manipur. Convener of Manipur Democratic Alliance, M. Tombi, today urged the people to have trust in the assurance given by Union Home Minister regarding CAB, stating that MDA along with people are ready to face any situation if Amit Shah fails to live up to his words. A one-day training program on beekeeping was jointly conducted by Friendly Environmental Warriors Jiribam and the New Incarnation Kalinagar at the auditorium of IRCA at Kalinagar, Jiribam district. Thangmaiban United Club has extended support to the 50-hour Manipur total shutdown called by MNPEC to register a fresh protest against Citizenship Bill. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MNPEC) will also join the Northeast-wide protest by imposing the shutdown from 1 a.m. of December 9 till 3 a.m. of December 11. Rongmei Naga Baptist Center Church, Imphal, today celebrated the joyous occasion of Advent Christmas 2019 at Renbeksi Langol Tarung, Imphal. Hundreds of people from different places attended the celebration. The India-China Joint Exercise titled Hand in Hand 2019 began at the Joint Training Node Umroi in Meghalaya yesterday. The 8th edition of the bilateral exercise will continue till December 20, 2019. A massive anti-citizenship amendment bill protest was staged today in Assam. According to reports, several organizations took part in statewide protest rally, during which the protesters chanted anti-CA bill and anti-BJP government slogans.